Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today. And today this is about a window in my master bedroom, the one in the gigantic dollhouse that I bought for $30 at the community yard sale. So I told you that I would share the progress, the plans, and the material with you. The walls are up. As you can see, I chose my paper. Look at how beautiful that looks. On this side, I had to use a different decorative paper, but I'll tell you all about that when the room is completely done. Because right now, it might look like it doesn't match, but it will at the very end. So here, this window here, as you can see, all the other ones have 4 sides. This is the only one that doesn't. It didn't have this one up here, but what I did was I bought some of this light wood, and it's very easy to cut. You can get it at a craft store, and I cut it to the size. I also cut the ones that go here on the side like this, but I have to paint this one and that one. I have to paint them white just like I did with that one. But as you can see, that one, I placed it there and it looks just like the ones that the house brought. So I will enclose it with the additional pieces of wood. But again, like I said, I have to paint them in white. So that's my next step right there. Other than that, I have to do something there in the corner of that door, and I have to add a real door here. So this is all going to be before I show you the reveal. Then up here in the ceiling, I have another plan. There's going to be a ceiling fan up there. So you see, there are a few little things that I still need to do before the reveal. So just take a look. It's coming along. And stay tuned. Thanks for watching.